This is the second Conaghy catamaran that we've designed. It has a concept of being an inside-outside boat, so the same space is used both ways. By opening up the windows on the side, you get a completely open-air feel. It also has a flybridge arrangement which allows the sailing to be done up at the higher level and the living to be done at the lower level, but while still connected. So the people that are sailing the boat can talk to their friends that are in the kitchen or sitting downstairs and so on. So connectivity was really important. The way that the shear is designed, you have the ability to see from this main deck level. You can see all the way around through the side, and yet you have the higher deck forward, so you have a more seaworthy situation. So you can sit this raised area here. This is a personal choice of this owner to have this arrangement, but otherwise normally it would be a sofa arrangement here, and from there you can see 360 degrees as well. So the boat's light, it's got a lot of carbon, something like 40 to 50% is carbon, and it's engineered for a hull fly situation. So you can, if you want, you can fly a hull, but most customers will take it a bit easier than that and not push it too hard. But it's engineered for a maximum situation. Its performance is so on sea trials. It's doing up to the wind speed quite easily in most conditions. Once you get into obviously the high teens, then obviously it'll start to drop behind wind speed. But it'll be doing fast double-figure average speeds for passages without a problem at all. So it's designed with center boards, so that if you hit something, the center boards will come up. They will break a shear pin, and the rams are contained on a track so that they don't go out of control. So if you want to replace the shear pin, the center board, which will just float up if you break the shear pin, will then be in a position that you can replace the pin and carry on. It's just electrically controlled from the helm position. You press a button and the center board changes position, and you actually really notice the difference of the boards when you're sailing. You can press the button and within a few seconds you've put the board down and the boat is in a different mode of sailing. So upwind you put the boards down, close reaching boards down, and then downwind you put them almost up. Yeah, there's a almost up position, which is just enough to give a bit of bite, but not the drag of the boards. So it's a better position. And then what else can I talk about? So the mast it's on a ball, but it's not a rotating mast, but it's on a ball to ensure the loads go where they're intended to. And this black carbon tube there is supporting all of the compression of the mast. And there's a tie rod forward of that which connects the mast foot to the structure forward. So it triangulates the load, make sure it's all going where it's supposed to. So the flybridge we spoke about a bit, but it's got all of the controls for the helm are at the flybridge. You've got all of the sail controls, the engine controls. The main features of the boat, you have a big tender lift at the back, which you can use either to make a low swimming platform, or you can put the tender in the water, etc. Apart from that, yeah, that's the key features of the boat.
It's okay. Thank you.
Pleasure.